Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with an instant sweet recipe. Today, let's see how can we prepare moong dal laddu. When it comes to laddus, there are varieties of laddus, but this moong dal laddu is so easy to make with few ingredients and gets ready in just some time. Moreover, in this laddu we won't be using sugar and we need not even worry about making any syrup and get strands it and all. It is a simple and healthy recipe. So let's get started. First, I have taken 1 cup of moong dal. This is the yellow moong dal without skin. Now, I will wash this dal very well and rinse it to remove all the impurities. There is no need to even soak the dal, just give it a good wash and drain it. I have removed all the water. Now heat a pan and add the clean dal into the kadai without water. Now roast this dal well on low flame. Roast the dal until it turns dry and crunchy. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. Keep stirring the dal continuously or else it may burn from a side, due to which the taste of the laddu would change. To roast the dal until it dry and it darkens, it would require 15 minutes. Make sure you keep stirring or else you can also take someone's help. Now you can see the color has changed, but this has not turned completely dry yet. So we will roast it for some more time and stir it continuously. It has been 15 minutes. By seeing only, we will understand that the dal has turned dry and well roasted. Now switch off the flame. Let me transfer it into a plate. You can listen its sound. It is so crispy. We need such a well roasted dal. Next, let's keep it undisturbed to cool. After 10 minutes our dal has cooled. Next, take a mixie jar, add in the dal and grind it into a powder. I have ground it. Let's check. You can see the texture. This will always be a rough powder. We won't get a smooth powder as besan. So this is what we want. So now I have taken 1 cup of jaggery. I have cut it roughly. We won't be using sugar at all. Rather make laddus using jaggery only. Now remove half of the powdered dal into another bowl. Add half amount of jaggery. If you have a larger jar, you can grind all in one, but I have a small jar, so I will divide into two. Now grind it again. I have ground it. Let's check. You can see the dal and jaggery have combined well. Similarly, grind the other half of the dal with jaggery. Now take a mixing bowl and add it into it. Let's give it a rough mix using a spoon. Next, add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 tablespoon of chopped almonds and pistachios. Now add 3 tablespoons of melted ghee. We will mix it now, and if ghee required later, then we will add more. Actually, these laddus need very less ghee, so we won't add much at once. These laddus are very good to boost immunity as well, so they are essential for kids. I feel ghee is a little less, so I will add another 2 tablespoons of melted ghee. Make sure it is melted only. Now give it a good mix. You can see its texture and it is perfect. With this you can also bind laddus. So now let's begin making laddus. You can see we have got perfect laddus. We are able to make it easily, and this is the perfect measurement of these laddus. You can also garnish it with almonds or pistachios. Similarly, make all the laddus. All our laddus are ready. You can see we have got our golden laddus ready without sugar. You can store these laddus out for a week in a container. Now place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. Our instant moong dal laddus are offered and ready. You can try it out instant on any festival as well. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.